What's going on, guys? So crazy movement on Bitcoin today. Um, we saw this huge green candle. Let's just go through what happened here. Um, First of all, I don't know what this 4 hour level is doing here, so let's delete it. So looks like it tested this daily level here, but let's just sort of go through what happened here because this is what pretty much ignited this move. So um, back on the mastermind, the previous updates, I mentioned that this wick specifically was a very good sign for Bitcoin. Like I said numerous times, this is pretty much telling Bitcoin, hey, this downtrend is totally invalid. We're going to continue to move up. Okay. Now, what happened here was that it found support on the 1 hour and it continued to ladder up on the daily. And like I said previously, numerous times, guys, when you want to determine what's bearish or what's bullish, you have to look out on the respective time frame that you're looking at, right? And you want to see hard closes, whether that be above a support or I mean below a support if it's bearish, or above a resistance if it's bullish. Okay, this is the daily time frame, guys. As you guys can see here, I mean, go even back here, guys. Like I mentioned on Friday, this is a very bullish point. Higher highs. Here's another test. You can see the body's pretty much closing on the downtrend. That's very bullish. And at this point, this is pretty much confirming, like, it's most likely going to move up. Again, you want to look out for hard closes above the resistance. And as you guys can see here, it's just one straight up green candle. And there's really no surprise here. These are all tested levels here. These are all tested levels. So we have the 4 hour that's pretty much like could act as resistance. We have this daily, and that was tested. And then you can see here, this daily was next. Now, there's a reason why there was no levels marked here, guys. It's because, the same trend that brought it down is the same trend that bring it up. And you can see this was a straight up candle wick to this level. Hence, I did not mark any useless levels here because if it's breaking out of a daily, it's most likely going to start testing, daily levels ahead of that. So, let's see where these lie. So if you go back, so we have this daily origin here. We have a daily origin level here and here. So these are all origin levels that we had marked. So if we reset the chart, let me just zoom out. Okay, so it's testing this first daily origin, which has been tested. We have this second origin, and what's really most important is this daily at 37K, which I'd be really surprised if it hits the 37K mark, but I think at this point it's going to need some sort of reset to find local accumulation. But yeah, let's see. So here, zoom in on the 4 hour time frame, guys. So as you guys can see here, this is where the 4 hour time frame is. We did see some resistance. We see some activity around this 4 hour, and it just went straight through this daily, and then again to this daily. So yeah, so to be honest, guys, at this point I would personally wait until there's some sort of accumulation like this, or even on the 4 hour, some sort of sideways movement. Jumping in now just increases your risk of losing money. Again, the whole point was finding accumulation, whether it be the 4 hour supports down here, or on this uptrend. That was ultimately your decision, but right now I would personally wait for some sideways movements, because again, this just pumped this just pumped 14%, which entirely don't see often now, especially nowadays. But again, this is still, even if this was a large rejection, as we see, I mean, there's still 37 minutes left. Even if this was a large wick, again, like I said, this is still a good sign. It's pretty much saying, again, guys, it's pretty much saying, hey, this downtrend was invalid, right? This downtrend was invalid, and we beat it. Okay, what's the next downtrend? We got this downtrend now. What's next? We're gonna hit that level now. Okay, so waiting for some sideways price action movement again, aka accumulation. Most likely will test this daily level. So with that in consideration, what can we expect for altcoins? Yeah, we can expect the same thing to happen with the altcoins. So um, yeah, that's pretty much the update, guys. Really straightforward. As you guys can see, I did not need to make any additional lines or levels. These were the same levels I had marked on the mastermind, and that's all you had to follow. So yeah, guys, let me know if you have any questions. Again, personally, if I were you trading Bitcoin, if anyone's trading Bitcoin, I would just wait for some sideways price action movement. And again, when Bitcoin's green, the whole market's green. So we're gonna cover the altcoins in the next video. Take care.